Good evening. We begin with breaking news from New Mexico, where just a short time ago, the criminal case against Alec Baldwin was dismissed. Baldwin's trial on a charge of involuntary manslaughter in the deadly shooting on the Rust movie set coming to an abrupt and dramatic end after the defense claimed the prosecution withheld evidence about ammunition on the Rust set. The judge dismissing the case with prejudice after holding a hearing on a motion by the defense for dismissal. NBC's Chloe Melas is here. Chloe, a stunning end to this trial.
Lester, Alec Baldwin, breaking news. He's breaking down in tears. The judge dismissed this case, and the decision came after the judge determined that prosecutors, they withheld evidence.
This is critical evidence in the case that was never disclosed to us. This is not the first time. It's not the second time. It's not even the third time. It's time for this case to be dismissed, Your Honor.
The pivotal moment in Alec Baldwin's criminal trial seen here when the actor's legal team claimed New Mexico prosecutors did not disclose new evidence pertaining to the live rounds found on the Rust film set in 2021.
This is a wild goose chase. This has no evidentiary value whatsoever.
I'm going to recess you for the day. I'm sorry.
The judge sending the jury home on Friday as she decided whether to dismiss the case against Baldwin.
The prosecution getting the case dismissed only 3 days into testimony is worse than even a not guilty verdict.
The state's willful withholding of this information was intentional and deliberate. Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted.
Rust cinematographer Helena Hutchins was killed on the New Mexico film set after a gun Baldwin was holding fired a live round of ammunition.
We find the defendant, Hannah Gutierrez, guilty.
In March, the film's armorer, Hannah Gutierrez Reed, was found guilty of involuntary manslaughter and is currently serving an 18-month prison sentence. Her attorney telling NBC News this new information is grounds to overturn her conviction. NBC News has reached out to New Mexico special prosecutors for comment. A plot twist no one saw coming. Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter charges dismissed.
So, Chloe, what happens next?
So, Lester, Alec Baldwin left the court without saying anything to reporters, but just moments ago, Special Prosecutor Carrie Morrissey did make her first comments following the judge's ruling. She said she respects the judge's decision.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.